Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for your coming.
You're welcome.
Sit down, please.
Thank you.
So first, would you mind telling me where you saw our advert?
Oh, I found out about it from my friend. She heard that you're looking for an employee.
I understand. And do you have your CV with you?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Oh, it looks really impressive.
Thank you.
So why would you work to our company?
As you can see, I graduated from the Professional Groomers Academy and I received a certificate for the most creative student. I have also won many prestigious competitions and I have a DOG'S trainer certificate. Because of that, I think that I could be very useful in your company.
Sounds good. And have you got any experience of combing dogs?
Yes, I worked in the beauty parlor.
Could you give me some more details about your post in there?
Of course. So I was in charge of directing the company and also combing dogs, which were sent to many TV programs. It was a very responsible post.
I understand. So now, could you describe me your strengths and weaknesses, please?
First, I think that I'm a very punctual person. I don't remember any time when I was late. I'm always on time on my meetings. I also love animals, especially dogs. That's why I want to do this job. Me and my family have also 4 dogs at home. We're trying to make them happy all the time. I think it's my advantage. If we're talking about my weakness, I have to say that I'm a very demanding person. When I work with the other people, I always want them to do the job at their best.
Oh, I think it's also your advantage.
Maybe you're right.
Okay, and the last question. Why should I employ you? What benefits you will bring to our company?
Firstly, I have many new ideas for new modern haircuts for dogs. I'm very creative and I have a big experience of doing this, so I think that our customer will be pleased. Secondly, I can create a new advert for your beauty parlor. Perhaps many people will be informed about your company. We can give also some information to local newspaper.
Oh, it sounds really interesting. Great idea.
Well, I can do everything, from combing dogs to advertising your beauty parlor.
Okay, and if you were to be offered a post in our company, would you be able to start straight away?
Yes, of course.
So maybe you have any questions?
Yes. Could you tell me what salary I might expect?
Well, it's usually around $1,300 per month, but our customers leave big tips.
Oh, sounds good. And when could I expect to hear from you?
Well, you will be informed by the next Friday.
Oh, great.
So, if it's all, thank you for your time. We will be in touch.
Thank you, and I hope I will get a chance from you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Three days later.
Hello, Miss Brown? Yes, I'm calling to tell you that you got this job. Yes, so see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Is it okay? Okay, bye.
Oh, I found out about Oh, I found out about it from my friend. She
Prawą książkę do ręki.
Ale się śmiałam.
No i co z tego?
Ludzie, proszę was!
Kurde.
Poplacie się, rzuć to. Rzuć jeden kamień czy inny.
Thanks for your coming.
No to już nie była moja wina, ja muszę patrzeć
Chyba
się.
ręka ci się tak drze. Co? Jeszcze raz.
No i... No patrzyłem się. Ale co ja mam zrobić, no? Muszę ją otworzyć!
Przepraszam bardzo.
No.
Telling me where did you saw a rat?
Szczypior.